Hey there, hashtag Garrison Dental influencer. Ooh, I'm an influencer. Hey everybody, it is 416 Dentistry here in Toronto, and we are doing a special unboxing today. We got this special package from Garrison Dental Solutions. It's labeled dental supplies or samples all over it. And so I'm really excited to see what's in the box. We all know that Garrison Dental Solutions makes some of the best matrix ring systems. Get really nice tight contacts when I do my class 2 restorations, and I love the anatomy too. And so I'm really excited to see what's inside, so let's open it up together. So we got our knife here. Let's open this up here. I don't know how to use a knife. I'm gonna open this up here. All right, let's see what's inside. All right. There's a list of stuff, but I'm not going to even look at that because I want it to be a surprise. So let's just toss that there. Oh, look at this, well packaged. We got some bubble wrap in here. Throw that off to the side. And oh, whoa, this is a nice box here. I'm going to just toss this down here. Let's see. Look, the box is not labeled with anything here. Let's open this up. Let's see. Ooh, there's little gold polka dots inside. Oh, it has my name on it. This is actually really cool. Love it. All right, so I'm gonna read that later. We got a Garrison Dental Solutions. Oh, it's a EZ or ZR kit with 8 polishers. So it's a polishing kit here. We'll open that later. Fit strips, look at this. All of you who are doing Invisalign, this will be super helpful. So I'm gonna actually try this out and I'll let you know how it works out. Ooh, some more polishing points and matrix bands. Gotta love these matrix bands here. They come with the ones with the extensions too when you're doing those deep subgingival composite restorations. Those ones are tricky, so having things like that is really helpful. And oh man, my favorite, the sectional matrix systems. This is what I was talking about. This is really great stuff. So if you don't have one of these kits, it's definitely a must-have. And oh, it's a USB drive, I guess, with all their all the information about their products, so I guess I'll check that out. Actually has their logo on it, actually pretty nice. And lastly, I didn't even know they made an instrument. So this is a instrument here. Looks like a multi kind of use instrument for composite restorations. Has this sort of non-stick coating on it, so that's going to be really neat too. So I really want to thank Garrison Dental Solutions for providing me with this awesome stuff. There's a lot of great goodies in here and I can't wait to use it. In the next few posts, I'll definitely show you guys some of the contents and when I do have a chance to open this up. So thanks again for watching and we'll see you all soon. Stay safe and take care.